I'm doing today. Yeah, you can get in there. It's just hard to. I don't know how you can know somebody. Why? It's just down to one other because the 7 people had it and the 3 people did the little guy.
Last guy, he's out of Buffalo.
Yeah, all of this what is not. That's the guy who hung out there.
No, Olaf.
Olaf.
Yeah, somebody texted me.
I can't think of his name. He's the last of the original partners.
He just doesn't.
Hey everybody.
Asshole doesn't want to.
Oh, TNT Tuesday.
Yeah.
How you doing, everybody?
What's happening?
So we're just standing around chatting about
This is how
Jeeps
we
and
roll.
wheeling and kind of our thing.
A glimpse into real TNT.
Yeah. So today we'll just keep it short. Mary and I are headed for the Midwest on Monday.
Minnesota.
Yeah, Minnesota and Wisconsin. So we'll be up there. We're doing the 4th annual Veterans Ride at Frontenac Farms. Too many F's.
Red Wing.
In Red Wing, Minnesota next weekend. Then from there we're going to head down into Wisconsin, spend my time with my folks, take a little R&R for a couple of days, and then we'll be back here hard at it again.
Not long enough.
Visit a couple shops while you're there, though.
Yeah, we're going to stop and see some of our dealers up there. You want to tune in next Tuesday. We will be doing TNT Tuesday live from the Midwest. We'll leave it at that. So tune in and see where we are, what we're doing. Then probably Wednesday we'll stop at one of our dealers on the way to see some friends on our way to Red Wing. So we'll be bopping around north of the Twin Cities for a couple of days next week. If you're out
Looking
and about.
forward to seeing some of my L Rock girls up there.
Right. Stop
Can't
see
wait
the
to
L
see
Rock crew.
Angela and Chris and Ginger and a whole bunch of people up there.
What else we got going?
Um,
Come on out here. We've been telling you we're getting ready to blow this apart. We're actually blowing it apart. So the Safari LJ is not very far tore down, but we're getting there. Front clips off. Start feeding that over to the Line-X crews. Start getting things primed and sprayed. Tub will be off later today, maybe tomorrow. So the next time you guys see it, it will be a pile of parts on the floor. That's 2 weeks from now when we're back here in the shop. Hopefully by then we got things painted and start maybe even going back together already.
Magic bells make it work while we're gone.
Yeah, long way to get here and still got a ways to go. You guys have seen Pat in the background there. He's here checking on his Jeep. His is the next one to get plumbed and wired and finished, and we just chatted about a few change orders that will make it even cooler. So stay tuned for that. As we start working on that part of the project, we'll show you more of that. Probably early November. Kind of got the go ahead to do some more cool stuff. So a little backtracking, but not too much. As we start finishing that one up, hopefully see it make smoke by the first of the year is the kind of the goal. This one will start coming together and be out racing around here in probably the next month. Finish tuning it, getting everything ready to rock and roll, and for its trip to Minnesota to get put away for the winter. Chris, if you're watching, make room in the garage. It stays put away. No salt. Or you can leave it here and I'll tell you how it works.
Wouldn't be the first Jeep we broke in, I guess.
But other than that, that's really all we got going this week. It's pretty hectic here at the auto shop. We're cranking them out as fast as we can get them in the door. Line-X is doing real well. We've got a couple of custom sprays we're doing over there.
And maybe we'll do a TNT Tuesday with the Linex one of these weeks.
Yep.
Give you a sneak peek at this and a few other funky things we have coming up for spraying at Linex, not just bed liners.
We'll probably just do a standalone video on that one because it won't coincide with Tuesday at noon.
Right.
But we do have a pretty funky project coming in later this week, so it'll be worth documenting. Let you guys see what Linex is capable of.
Hosting the trunk or treat.
Yeah, trunk or treat. Sorry, that's upcoming.
26th, 10 to 1.
Saturday the 26th here, 807 South Greeley Highway at TNT's Advanced Automotive. We'll have, I think Mason's up to 24 spots. And we're talking about squeezing in a few more if we can find a home for them. So trunk or treat, if you're not aware, hopefully I'm not saying this wrong, but it's 10 to 1, 10 to 2, so hang out as long as you want. Local Jeepers come in and park their Jeeps and hand out candy out of the back of their Jeeps. It's kind of a meet and greet, everybody hangs out. We had a pretty good turnout last year, we're hoping for a bigger turnout.
If you want to partake, let Mason know. She's the one organizing it. But let me give you a heads up. Last year, we didn't expect as many children as we had, and we were all running across the street getting more candy.
Come
so
prepared,
come prepared because we had
we'll
quite a
clean
big
out
turnout.
Safeway if we don't.
Yeah, so stock up on the candy. There'll be plenty of kids coming through. And
It's a good time. Dress up, please.
Dress your Jeep up or your vehicle.
Dress your Jeep up, you know, whatever, if you want to have a matching theme, whatever. It's
Yep.
just fun day.
Yep.
So come on down next Saturday for that. As a trunk or treat participant or just a normal walking around participant, come on down, we'll have a good day.
that's about it.
That's really about all we got for right now.
Yeah. Hopefully you didn't hear my stomach growling because it's time for lunch. So I'm
I'm
gonna
hungry.
cut this
So
thing.
we'll cut this one short. Watch next Tuesday.
Yep.
Next Tuesday will be cool.
You're a good one.
We won't have our favorite camera girl doing a nice job there. You'll have to deal with me and my phone, but it'll be a good day.
We'll
So
figure it out.
We'll figure it out.
Thanks.
See ya.